Ready to ditch your physical wallet and pay with pure digital cool? Let's dive into how to use your Apple Cash Card in stores. First, ensure your Apple Cash Card is active and you have funds if not. Open the Wallet app if you don't see your Apple Cash Card. Tap the plus sign and follow the prompts to add it. You might need to verify your identity. Next, double-check your settings. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Make sure your Apple Cash Card is set as your preferred card, or at least is present in your available cards. Now for the fun part, paying. When you're at a store that accepts Apple Pay, look for the Apple Pay or contactless payment symbol. Simply double-click the side button on your iPhone. Your default card will appear. If you want to use your Apple Cash, tap on the card shown and select Apple Cash. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal until you see done and a checkmark appears on your screen. You'll also usually hear a confirmation beep from the terminal. If you're using an Apple Watch, double-click the side button. Select your Apple Cash Card if it's not the default, and hold the watch face near the reader. It works the same way, fast and secure. And that's it. You're now a pro at using Apple Cash in stores with Apple Pay. Enjoy the convenience and the future of payments. Be sure to subscribe for more Apple tips and tricks.